Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Kitfort KT-1649 electric grill. A modern kitchen appliance designed for convenient and delicious home cooking. This grill combines stylish design, practical features, and strong performance, making it a great option for anyone who enjoys grilled food at home, without using a large outdoor barbecue. One of the biggest advantages of the Kitfort KT-1649 is its removable grill panels. This feature makes cleaning much easier compared to many traditional electric grills. After cooking, you can simply remove the panels and wash them separately, saving both time and effort. The grill heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly across the cooking surface. This helps create juicy steaks, crispy sandwiches, grilled vegetables, burgers, and many other dishes with excellent texture and flavor. The non-stick coating also improves the cooking experience. Food doesn't stick easily, and you can cook with less oil, making meals healthier and cleanup simpler. Another great feature is the compact size and modern black design. The grill fits nicely into almost any kitchen and doesn't require much storage space. It's perfect for everyday use, whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or quick snacks. The adjustable heating system allows you to choose the right temperature depending on the type of food you're cooking, giving you more control and better results. Overall, the Kitfort KT-1649 is a practical and versatile electric grill that combines convenience, modern design, and excellent cooking performance in one compact appliance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.